What's up guys, Intelitech Studios here, and today we'll be doing a full unboxing and assembly tutorial for the Shark Rotator Pad to Lift Away ADV. Now the reason why I'm reviewing this machine, despite the fact that I've really never positively reviewed a Shark, is a lot of people are buying this exact machine. It's incredibly popular right now. I even know some family members who bought them. So since my local Walmart had one of these on clearance for $100, I figured, well, there's only one left. I had to get it and see what the fuss was all about for this newer model. Now I previously reviewed the Shark Stratos. This is essentially just a lighter weight version of it without the power lift away. So it looks pretty interesting. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Now it's worth noting that Shark machines do not come sealed. These boxes open by themselves and there is no tape sealing the box. So double check before you take this home to make sure that everything's in the box, so that way you don't have to worry about pulling it back to the store because someone sniped something out of the packaging. Right here up top we do have a quick start guide, so you know exactly what all of your exact model is supposed to come with. Now it's worth noting that don't reference my video, reference what the actual quick start guide says in your box, because different SKUs of these machines will have less or more attachments, and it can be a little confusing because there isn't really much consistency among Shark's lineup. So, can I open this up? Welcome to the Shark family. Yeah. It says your Shark Rotator delivers unbelievable suction and our most innovative cleaning technologies. Notice they don't say cleaning performance. It says they're registered online, which I do recommend doing, because otherwise, well, even with that, trying to warranty this thing is going to be a pain. So this is the Shark Rotator Lift Away LA500 series. Right here we've got our, oh, something just fell out, that's the upholstery tool. So the upholstery tool fell out. We've got our hose. We've got the crevice tool. Got some cardboard. We've got a wand, which is not wanting to come out. We've got a power head. More cardboard. See, now this wand will come out. And finally, we have the main unit. And that is everything. Alright, so we're going to quickly unwrap everything and go from there. Alright, here is everything pulled out of its packaging. Now, one thing that's nice about Sharks, well, I'll say one thing not nice and one thing that is nice. The first thing that's not nice, for some reason, every time I box a new Shark, they smell terrible, and I don't know why. Like, it smells really bad. It just smells like burnt, chemically plastic, and that's not great. But assembling this machine is incredibly simple. So, here's our power head with a dual clean power fence design. We're just going to grab this, click it into the upright position. Now we're going to grab this, line it up, and push it down until it clicks. Then we're going to take our extension wand, where you see this little groove right here with this screw, which doesn't want to focus, see a little pivot right there on the machine. Line it up, push it down until it clicks into place. Now the wand is on. Next, we'll take our hose, and right where this little baffle is right here, line it up right here, this groove goes in right there, push it in until both sides click into place. Next, now this handle doesn't swivel, so we have to make sure it's in the right orientation. We're going to take the handle, and there we go, push it in until it clicks into place. Now this model doesn't have a clip to the wand, which has been annoying, so it's just kind of loose. But that's it, it's fully assembled. These Sharks are the easiest machines in the world to put together, which is kind of nice. Finally, we can unwrap our cable, which includes a nice handy free twist tie. Just like that. And now we can wrap our cord around the upper and lower cord hooks, which, of course, anytime you get a brand new vacuum, the cord's going to be tangled up and it's going to be a whole mess. Trying to get this is incredibly frustrating, but that just comes with the territory. So the point is we're going to untangle this cable and wrap it around until we get to the end of it. When you have the cord fully wrapped up, you can take the edge of the cord clip and clip it right onto the cord. And there we go. Now the cord is fully on. Before you use it, you want to pop off this cord protector and discard that. Now finally, the final thing to do is take your two attachments, drop them. We're going to take our crevice tool, put it right here, right where the cord just was. That pushes on. Then we're going to take our upholstery tool and put it on right there. And now our Shark Rotator Lift Away is fully assembled. That's really all there is to it. We've got our owner's manual. You can refer to this, and be sure to read this so you can make sure to realize that the machine you paid for does not have a warranty, even though they advertised it. Because here's a fun thing about Sharks. The most common thing that goes wrong on these is power heads. These power heads are not replaceable, or I should say they're not repairable. You have to replace them as a whole unit, and Shark refuses to warranty them. So if this breaks, you have to buy it, and it'll cost just as much as you paid for the vacuum, at least in my case. So keep that in mind. Be very careful with these. These machines are quite fragile. But that is how you put one together, and we'll show you real quick how to use one. Of course, it's not plugged in, but I can show you how everything works. There's a switch right up here. Be careful because these switches are known to shock people, and a lot of times you can see the arc of electricity going through these. So these machines are a safety hazard. Don't use them. But if you bought one and you can't return it, then that's where it is. So you press this button in the middle. That's on the one section for hard floors, and on the two for carpets. When you have it in the upright position, it doesn't matter which section this is on because suction's only going through the hose anyways. But when you have it reclined, once you put your foot on to pull it back, when you have it reclined, you can change this between the hard floor and the carpet option, and that will change the speed of the brush rolls. Whenever you want to empty the bin, there's two catches right here. You pull that off, and you can press this button to empty the bin. You can also empty the top of it by pulling this tab, and you can get to that to clean it out. You've got two filters right here, which you wash at least every month. So you've got a little square right there, and a smaller square right here. So that's fine. This one actually looks like it's upside down, strangely enough. Yeah. So that goes in there like that. So wash that every month. Make sure you have at least 40 hours to dry it. And finally, there's a filter down here, which is kind of hidden away. You pull this little tab underneath. There's this filter. And you want to replace this filter about every year or so. That just snaps back in. And that clips right back on. So that's pretty much that. This is the unboxing and basic assembly and usage tutorial for the Shark Rotator Lift Away ADV PET LA 5000, whatever it's called. This is Intelitech Studios signing out. A full review on this will be coming very soon. And I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you all have a good one. Peace.